Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss and teach you on how to write a program that will accept US dollar value and then it will convert into British pound using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, in our notepad, we have here print /t horizontal tab. More on the being, no? US dollar to British pound in Python, the title of our program, print. I declare a variable here, US underscore dollar, float. So we have decimal places, input, enter US dollar value. And then we have assignment statement here, pound equals US underscore dollar multiplied by 0.81. So $1 is equivalent to 0.81. So here print percent 0.2f to decimal places. US dollar equivalent is 0.2 to the decimal places British pound, percent US underscore dollar comma pound. Print and a program which informs the user that the program has been indented print for formatting, no, act as a new line here. Let us go to our online GDB to run our program. Okay, our program is running right now. Uses the US dollar to British pound in Python, enter US dollar, let's say 100. Sorry. 100 US dollar. So 100 US dollar is equivalent to 81 British pounds. Run again. It's a 34.12 US dollars. 34.12 US dollar is equivalent to 27.64 British pounds. Last example, let's say 78.56 US dollars. 78.56 US dollars is equivalent to 63.63 British pounds. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on US dollar to British pound in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.